everyone, I'm Amrita and in today's video I'm going to compare air frying and deep frying and I will help you decide which system of frying you should use. It is a universal truth that fried food is delicious. It is also a universal belief that fried food is unhealthy. Most of us look at fried food as a guilty pleasure and know that we want to be limiting our consumption of this. In fact, the monsoon season will soon be coming along, and with this comes an onslaught of fried vada pavs and bhajias. And you almost have to eat these. They're a monsoon staple. The problem is not necessarily with the fried food itself, but more to do with how much of it we eat and how we cook it. In fact, I have a video right here on how to safely fry food so that it will minimally affect your health. Do check it out. That being said, the process of frying does use a lot of oil, which can make your food pretty energy rich and dense, which might not be best for your health needs. Basically, frying your food can add a lot of calories to your daily energy intake. So, is there a way to safely enjoy the crunchy, delicious texture of fried foods without them affecting your health too much? Well, here is where air frying potentially comes in. So, what is an air fryer? An air fryer is a device very much like an oven which uses hot air to cook and to fry your food. It's different from deep frying, in which your oil needs to be piping hot in order to cook or fry the food. So, in deep frying, the hot oil transfers heat to the food, cooking it and frying it. Versus in air frying, the hot air is what cooks the food. And because the air fryer works on hot air, you can get away with applying very little to even no oil on the food cooked in the air fryer. Oil has calories, air has no calories. So right off the bat, the air fryer can be the better choice for you if you need to limit your fat consumption or your calorie intake from food. But are you compromising on taste by air frying? Do air fried foods taste the same as deep fried foods? Not quite. Although air frying does dry out food, making it crunchy and crispy, it doesn't give you the same texture and mouthfeel that deep fried food does. And some foods you just need to eat that way. Think about the bhajias that I mentioned before. You need them to be super crunchy and crispy for max enjoyment, right? So which should you pick? Well, if you have health concerns but still want to continue to eat all your favorite foods, air frying is your best bet. It's very similar to baking food. An air fryer is basically just like a quicker, more efficient oven because it takes lesser time for your food to get prepared. So for every day or even just regular use, an air fryer is definitely the winner. It will still give you that feeling of eating crunchy food. Quick tip though, make sure you don't completely skip or skimp on the oil used in cooking food. This oil is really important in making sure that you're getting all the fat-soluble vitamins that are present in food. But if you are eating certain foods on occasion simply because you like how they taste, deep frying is your winner. For example, personally, I would never eat air-fried French fries or an air-fried vada in my vada pav. The important thing to remember though is that you're eating these foods for taste, so treat them like a treat and they won't affect your health negatively. You can learn how to do so in my video linked right here. Just another quick tip on air fryers. They're also great at baking cookies and cakes just because of the way they heat food. They're also great for dehydrating vegetables and they're also amazing at reheating fried food that's gone soggy. So in conclusion, choose air frying if you're trying to restrict your fat intake or your calorie and energy intake from food. But choose deep frying if you're eating fried foods occasionally and you're really just eating them because you truly enjoy their taste. Both will give you the fried food experience, but truly nothing really tastes as good as deeply fried food. I hope this video has helped you understand the difference between the two kinds of fryings and which one would best serve your individual needs. I'm really curious, what had you heard about air frying before you watched this video? Please leave in the comments below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below, reach out to me on Instagram or simply shoot me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.